Every holiday season, Americans throw away about 1 million extra tons of trash per week. To put that into perspective, that's the weight of over 5,500 statues of liberty. In addition to that, traditional Christmas lights contribute roughly 2 million tons of carbon dioxide emissions. The lights strung on houses alone use enough electricity in December to power 350,000 homes for an entire month. But what if we could change that? What if we could celebrate the holidays without leaving behind a mountain of waste and pollution? This year, let's reimagine our holiday traditions and give the planet the gift it deserves: a sustainable, greener future. It all starts with a few simple changes. First, we can wrap smarter by using reusable gift bags, fabric, or even newspaper. It's budget-friendly and helps reduce holiday waste. You can also make homemade ornaments or other gifts with your family and friends. Or consider giving experiences instead of physical gifts, like tickets to a musical or a museum. These moments make memories last longer than any store-bought gift. You can also switch to energy-saving LED or solar lights, and set timers to your lights to reduce your electricity use. It's a small change that makes a big impact on your wallet and the planet. As for your Christmas tree, opt for a potted or a sustainably sourced tree. You can recycle and repurpose cut trees through community programs as well. And this is just the start. There are so many more ways to give back to the planet instead of harming it even more. This holiday season, let's give a gift that truly matters: a greener, healthier planet for future generations. By making small changes like using reusable decorations, creating homemade gifts, and conserving energy, we can create a joyful holiday that lasts beyond this December. Small actions create big changes, and it all starts with you.